Every month, it's routine to change over redundant pumps from in-service to standby. Today, we're switching from number 2 to number 1 MELT freshwater cooling pump. These pumps maintain freshwater flow through the main engine's low temperature cooling circuit. Loss of flow equals rising temperatures equals automatic engine shutdown.
Ang problema ngayon, pag nilagay sa standby ito, start na papara yan.
But when we try the changeover, it fails.
Ito na lang muna.
Start din yan.
Oh.
Here's what is happening. We put number 1 into operation, then switch number 2 to standby. Instantaneously, number 1 stops and in turn number 2 starts. If both pumps fail during changeover, the main engine cooling system is compromised, giving us only minutes to restore flow before temperature alarms. Welcome to Problem. We're probing into what's causing this logic failure and how to fix it. Let's probe right into it.
I saw the name immediately. I knew this is the guy. Again.
See you next time, mate.
See you. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Standby, tumatakbo.
Before opening a single panel or measure a single volt, we ask some backstory. What is it actually doing? What is the system supposed to do? What changed between it working and failing, and when did it start?
So standby lang yung
Yan
isa
na,
talaga.
yan na. Dati hindi naman ganyan yan. Di ba, kinakami naman na pala monthly yan.
What would cause these exact
May
symptoms?
ginawa kami ng nakaraan. Mayos naman na yun eh. Ngayon lang.
And what can I safely test to confirm or eliminate possible?
Anong ginawa nyo?
Yung kami?
May nagpalit kayo ng relay?
Oo, yun lang.
Timer relay?
Timer. Yung pinakita ko sa'yo nakaraan. Tapos nag-ayos naman yun, di ba? Yung pinatest namin
Before I
sa'yo.
came on board, they had replaced a broken timer relay.
Tapos, itong heating nito, hindi rin umiilaw.
Baka busted.
Kung nilagay sa standby ito, tumatakbo kayo.
Last month, we changed over from pump number 1 to number 2, and the same symptoms occurred.
Kasi nung nakaraan, naalala ko, di ba, nireklamo ko rin to. Tapos sabi mo, antayin mo lang ng mga ilang seconds. Pumasok naman siya after 10 seconds. Pag para doon, pumasok siya after 10 seconds.
It was resolved by waiting for the pressure to stabilize for 10 seconds before switching number 1 to standby.
Yun ang priority dati.
Oo.
Ngayon naman, itong gusto nating gawing priority service.
But this time, we're seeing a different result.
Ang problema ngayon, pag nilagay sa standby ito, start na papara yan.
Eh di yan na muna ang isi-service. Ito muna ang standby hanggang di na re-resolve.
Subukan mo na ilagay sa standby ito, hayaan mo lang muna. Ayan, pumara na. Ito mo, ito naman, pag naka-standby, ayaw namang maglagay. Baka kundi lang to. Pumara na yan, ayun, stop na to. Ito na lang muna.
Start din yan.
Oo. Di ba, nung ilagay sa standby ito, kumandar, pumara yan. Nung ilagay ito sa operation, kumandar uli yan, di ba?
Nakalagay sa tres to eh.
Nakatres ko kanina.
Nakatres. Nung nag-tres ka,
Nakatres to, kanina.
Oo.
nakatres yan, tapos nag-tres ka dyan.
Hindi.
Pumara to. Pumara.
Pumara,
Okay.
tapos
Tapos nung nilagay niya.
Naka-trace yan, nilagay ko sa standby ito. Tumandar to, pumara yan. Di ba? Tapos, umandar ulit. Sige, ulit mo para maano natin. Sige, naka-standby siya ngayon, di ba? Yan, andar. Tatakbo siya.
oh,
Yun.
tumakbo siya.
Takbo siya.
Position dyan. Running yan dyan.
Hindi,
Standby.
naka-remote. Awan. Eh, batak mo to. Lagay ko sa standby to.
Yan, parehas nasa dos.
Oo.
10 seconds.
Hindi, lagay mo na yan sa operation kasi yan na yung isi-service natin eh.
Diba?
Lagay, lagay mo sa ano. Sige.
Sabi ang kapon.
Kaya nga, dapat ito, hindi aandar to kasi naka-standby. Pero pag umandar to, hindi natin kupapara yan.
Ano ang operation na dyan? Nakapara ka?
Dos.
Dos, standby.
Kasi dito, umilo ka rin standby, operation.
Kaya nga eh.
Pero number 3 siya.
Pero mo ngayon, dati kanina mabilis umandar to, ba't ngayon ayaw na umandar?
Wala na. Pero naka-standby na.
Naka-standby na to. Yan, Jay, ito ang ilaw. Jay. Pati itong dalawa, pati itong heater. Baka ano lang, naninibago lang.
Pero nung gagawin ko ito, nakailaw na standby.
Yun nga eh.
Operation.
Hindi, titignan lang muna natin kung hindi na-under to. Pagka ano, mamaya, titikin ilik. Kung ano, condition na din na siya busy. Higpit mo lang, higpit mo lang. Maluwag lang yan.
Ito lang talaga yung unusual na.
Putok.
Hindi naman.
Tol.
Hindi naman. Hindi ko to.
Hindi.
Sige, susubukan mo i-ano ulit. Itiin mo lang.
Tingnan natin kung may supply.
Hindi ko alam.
Tama, maki-standby pa rin siya.
Now, let's check the missing piece, the cause of these exact symptoms. After initial checks, here's what we found.
Ito wala talaga. Walang supply.
We've identified a missing potential in the standby circuit of pump starter number 2.
Dapat meron yan 220.
From here, we have a lead.
Wala supply.
There's no 220 volt AC supply to the standby indicator lamp in the bigger picture to the pump standby logic circuit itself.
Kasi sa outlet doon sa dalawa,
130.
meron daw sa pressure switch, ay sa standby.
Line to ground meron ah.
However, the line to ground potential is present at 130 volts AC.
Nilagay mo yun sa standby.
130.
Yung sa
130.
kasi
Yan din, pagka pinaro mo
That's
yun,
why the
may
standby
pump
circuit
yan,
for pump
hindi yata yan sa ano yung
The 130 volt reading is our lead and it points to incomplete circuit.
Yung timer saka yung mga interlock. Oo.
I-off mo muna ito ah.
Hindi, yan muna yung mo.
Off ko.
So, nakaparo na yun eh.
After isolating the root cause, the solution became clear.
Ito na siguro sasabi mo, power cycling.
Oo, transformer. Saka mga relay.
It was time to power cycle both pump starters, starting
sige.
with number 2,
I-off ko
Yan
muna
naman.
yung knob.
Oo.
then number 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Huwag mo na, ayun, stop siya. Stop siya.
Then do the normal changeover sequence accordingly.
Halimbawa yan, ilagay sa 1, tapos para ko muna, tapos i-drenso ko sa 3. Tapos antay tayo na ilang seconds bago ilagay sa standby. Mag-start pa kaya ulit. Para lang mawala to ba? Standby.
First, by putting number 2 pump to position 1, remote.
Sige, parang
Sige.
Naka-1 yan.
Then put
Ah,
number
sige,
1
parang-
pump to position 1,
Lagay ko
remote,
sa
and
3
immediately to position 3,
para mamatay
operation.
yung standby.
Nawala yung standby. Oh.
Ngayon, ang tanong, kung ilagay yan sa standby, baka mag-start. Antayin natin ilang seconds.
Nawala na yung blue dyan ano.
Wala na standby.
The pump starts smoothly. Number 1 is
Ilaw.
now run, number 2 is
Hindi
in
umilaw.
standby.
wala talagang ilaw.
But there's one detail left unresolved.
Tingnan natin, 10 seconds.
The number 2 standby indication lamp still
9,
dark.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Ngayon tingnan na natin to kung may supply na 220.
Time to verify the circuit.
Para ma-confirm kung busted yung ilaw.
Ang magiging problema na ito, di ba? Standby siya. Pero at least hindi na siya may stop ngayon ng standby.
Ah.
Kanina may stop, di ba? Walang ano pala, yung indicator light, walang supply.
Ngayon pa lang malalaman.
Palang malalaman. Kanina wala eh.
Bakit na wala?
So ngayon meron
Meron
na.
na. Kaya yung sequence nga ng ano, yung paling-paling.
Kasi naka-standby din doon. Pero kaya wala talagang ilaw.
Kasi kanina,
Busted na.
umilaw yung,
Busted na yung ilaw.
umilaw yung standby. Hindi siya ilaw dito.
Confirmed. The lamp is busted. A simple replacement.
24.
30 baht.
Ano yan? Laban na yan.
And now the standby indication is back. And just like that, problem solved. Not with guesswork, but with method. Power cycling restored the logic. Systematic checks revealed the failed component. And proper documentation ensures the next engineers doing the changeover won't waste time chasing the same ghost. Until the next challenge, keep on probing.